It was Friday, September 4th, 1998. Larry Page and Sergey Brin were sitting around on campus at Stanford University. It was probably about 65 degrees, very pleasant weather. And that was also the same day, by the way, that the Tokyo Disney Sea opened. And also that day, Aerosmith's song, I Don't Want to Miss a Thing, was #1 in the charts. Now, what was happening? This is the day that Google, the search engine as we know it, the search engine Google was launched. And it began a whole new journey for all of us. And it began this whole new wave of new tools and new ideas and access to lots and lots, and I'm using the word lots very simply here, tons of content that we are able to find through the power of search engines. And September 4th, 1998 was the birth of probably one of the most iconic search engines to date, Google. This is the question I was asked. When was Google started and who started it? On a Quora question. And I thought, what better way to answer it than through a YouTube video?